children, how are you? I hope all are fine. In previous class, we already start first lesson CW. Already in CW, we write 5 questions, 5 question and answers. Today, in six question also. In sixth question, I write one item test. Write your own. Only you write that answer. Okay. Today, we will continue the CW. In seventh question given, draw some food items of your diet and explain why you like them. What is the question given here? Draw some food items of your diet and explain why you like them. Understand? It is your own choice question. It is your own choice question. Means what? Write your favorite dishes or favorite food items. Names write and draw the food items. After that, you write what I write here. Means what is the use? What is the use and why you like that? Understood? Here given sambar, idli, dosa and purihora like that food items. Why you like that? Can I write here or you write? Okay, drawing you write yourself. I write why you like, why I like. That question I am writing here. You draw the pictures yourself. I give why I like. That reasons only. Okay. Seventh question now. What is the seventh question? Draw some food items. Of your diet and explain why you like them. Here, give some space for drawings. Which drawings? Which food items you like in your diet? Give some space here for drawing. After that, you write these points. Why we like that food items? These are the food items I like for breakfast. Means upon you draw which items you like in eating breakfast. Understood? After that, write these points. These are means here. These means what? Yes, idli, chapati, puri, bhaji, dosa, like that items. Drawing here, draw up one. After that, you write these points. These are the food items I like for breakfast. This one first point. Second one. These are tasty and smaller amounts give enough energy to maintain the strength of the body till lunch. Next one. They contain carbohydrates. Here H. carbohydrates, proteins, fibers and fats. And fats. All of them make a near balanced diet. These items, breakfast time. Breakfast time eating items, draw here and write the reasons why you like that items. These are here breakfast items or the food items I like for breakfast. These are tasty. These items means tiffin like items. Breakfast, when we eat breakfast at morning time. In morning time we eat breakfast different kinds of food items like idli, chapati, puri, bhaji, dosa, like that items are tasty and smaller amounts give enough energy to maintain the strength. At morning we eating breakfast, we do so many works. The breakfast gives smaller amount of energy. We use that energy, we do so many works. Till lunchtime. To maintain the strength of the body till lunch. Between breakfast and lunch, we do so many works. That works we do, we use so much of energy. How we get energy? Yes, these breakfast items what we eaten by yourself, that items gives energy. That energy using after we do so many works. Understood? They contain carbohydrates, proteins, fibers and fats. All of them make a near balanced diet. In breakfast items, idli contains carbohydrates. When we eat dosa, puri, chapati, like that items contain cereals. We eat with curry also. That curries also contains proteins. We add some oils and some vegetables. That also contains, vegetables contains fibers, oil contains fats. All of them make a near balanced diet. This is about the items in when we take breakfast. And understood? Next one, right? Another. What is the another means? Here breakfast, lunch items. Which type of food items we eat at lunch time? Rice, curries, sambar and rasam and curd with banana. Like that items draw here and after that you note the points. Understood? After drawing you note these points. These are some of the food items. Some of the food items of any diet. And I like them. Sorry, here I like them because they make a balanced diet. Next, second point. Combination of food items make the food tasty. Combination of food items make the food tasty. Next, third one. These are some of the food items of any diet and I like them because they make a balanced diet. Here these means which type of items we eat at lunchtime. That items are some of the food items of any diet and I like them because they make a balanced diet. In previous classes too, I said about balanced diet. It contains carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, minerals and yes, water, roughages. These all types of food components having perfect ratio. That food or that diet called as balanced diet. Combination of food items make the food tasty. When we take only one type of item, we don't say that is tasty item. When we take so many items, maybe in any function we going time, we eat so many food items. In that time only, we will discuss that item is nice, this type of item is not nice, like that. Understood? Combination of food items. So many combinations foods we eating time. We will discuss about the taste of food. Only one kind of food means rice and one curry. We don't discuss about the taste of food. Understood? Next one. The diet contains carbohydrates, proteins, fats, minerals and vitamins also. Here what we eat at breakfast time, that food items why we like. This is the reason for liking that type of food items in breakfast time. Understood? Next one. When we eat lunch or any other time means dinner time, why we like these type of food items? It gives balanced diet means that type of food contains balanced food items. Understand? Next one. Combination of food items makes the food tasty. The diet contains what is the meaning of balanced diet? The food all food components having perfect ratio. Only carbohydrates and proteins, not a balanced diet. When we take these type of food components all in perfect ratio, that food only called as balanced diet. Understood? This is the 7th question answer. Note down first. After I write 8th question and answer. Okay? Note down. Next, some other points also there. Here, third point after I write here 4th point. In 7th answer, 4th point. These foods give strength give strength and help the and help in growth of the body. Growth of body parts. Fifth point. In growing children, this diet supports this diet supports their growth. These foods give strength and help in the growth of body parts. When we take perfect balanced diet in the type of food items gives strength and help in the growth of the body parts. Understood? In growing children, this diet supports their growing. Some members not eat some types of food items. That is not fair. All food items helps different parts of body growing. When we eat leaf vegetables, our sight is best. Understood? When we eat different types of calcium containing food, our bones become strong. That's why eat all food items containing food. Understood? Next question. 8th question. In textbook to have 8th question. What is the 8th question? What is the 8th question given here? If you were invited to a party with many food items in the menu like rice, roti, puri, idli, dosa, samosa, dal, green salad, vegetable curry, fruit chaat, chicken curry, eggs, gulab jamun. Here 2 questions given. What food items would come onto your plate to make your diet a balanced one? Second one. What food items would you take plenty and adequately? First you write yourself here question. Here I don't write question. I write only answer. Open textbook page number 7. Note the question. I write here answer. Okay. Here given first question. What food items comes on your plate to make your diet a balanced one? First answer. 8th question answer. That to A part. To make my diet a balanced one, the following food items would come to my plate. There is the first point. To make my diet balanced one, the following food items would come to my plate. Now we write here food items. Understood? A diet contains all the nutrients and other components in proper proportions is called balanced diet. Is called balanced diet. So, rice, roti, vegetables, vegetable curry, vegetables not, vegetable curry, fruit chaat, chicken curry, would come to my plate. To my plate. What is the question given here? Yes. What food items comes onto your plate to make your diet a balanced one? To make my diet a balanced one, the following food items would come to my plate. What is the meaning of balanced diet? A diet contains all the nutrients, micronutrients, macronutrients. Macro means high quantity we taking every day, no? Carbohydrates, protein, fat. Micronutrients we take little quantity, vitamins, minerals, that like. Or nutrients and other components. Other components means roughages, water like. And proper proportion means proper proportion, percentages. We take large quantity of macro components or macronutrients. Small quantity of micro components or micronutrients is called balanced diet. So, rice, roti, vegetable curry, fruit chaat, chicken curry would come to my plate. That's time we get balanced diet. Understood? These items, rice, carbohydrates, roti, vegetable curry, proteins, fruits, vitamins, chicken curry. Again, meat containing food have proteins. And we use oil also. Fat also containing these components. Means the balanced diet called in this component, in this food items comes to my plate. Here given like. Understood? Next, these two B. What food items would you take plenty and adequately? Already we said about plenty. We take plenty of water. So much of. Adequately. Sufficient. And satisfactory. Understood? B to first point. I take the following food items in plenty. In plenty. Vegetable curry, and continuation here I write fruit chaat, green salad, plenty we take more, vegetable curry, fruit chaat, green salad. These items contains more water. Understood? That's why here I take the following food items in plenty. Understood? We take more. Next one, second point. I take the following item. The following food items adequately. idli, etc. Necessary: dal, dosa, idli. These type of items we take adequately. Understood? This is the 8th question answer. 8th to 2 questions given. First question: to make my diet a balanced one, which items comes to your plate? These type of food items means what is this food items contains? A diet contains all the nutrients and other components in proper proportion is called balanced diet. That's right. So rice, roti, vegetable curry, fruit chaat, chicken curry would come to my plate. In that time we get balanced one. Okay. Next one. Which type of food items we take plenty and adequately? I already said about plenty and adequately in previous class. Plenty, we take more. Vegetable curries, fruit chaat, green salad. That type of food items contains more water. It is helps to digestion of food. Okay. Next one, I take following food items adequately. Dal, dosa, idli. These are protein containing items. It is necessary or we take sufficient quantity. That's why adequately food called here given dal, dosa, idli. Write this question and answer. After I write 9th question and answer. Okay? Right? Next, 9th question. What is the 9th question given in textbook? How is the water useful to your body? What is the uses of water? Okay. Note the question. Seeing textbook, I write here answer only. First point. Water helps the food to move easily in the digestive tract. Second one. Water helps to transport gases and other substances to all parts of the body. Next, third point. Water helps to carry waste materials from various parts of the body to excretory organs. Next, fourth point. Water helps to filtrate filter. Here one T only, one L only. Filter the waste from the blood. From the blood. Effectively. And also help in not formation of stones. Stones in the kidney. Fifth point. It keeps the blood in liquid form. Sixth point. So we must drink plenty of water. Drink plenty of water daily. What is the question asking here? How is the water used to our body? What is the first point? Water helps the food to move easily in the digestive tract. I already showed one experiment also in previous class. When we drink water, the food items will move easily in digestive tract. That is the first use. Next one. Water here. Water are missing. Water helps to transport gases and other substance to all parts of the body. Understood? Parts of the all bodies, gases and other substance. Through water it is transported. Understood? Next one. Water helps to carry waste materials from various parts of the body to excretory organs. When we drink more and more water, we don't have constipation problem. Understood? Next one. Water helps to filter the waste from the blood effectively and also help in not formation of stones in the kidneys. Understood? When we drink more and more water, in that time, in kidneys to not form any stones. Nowadays, all are suffering from kidney stones. Understood? In that time, we will drink so much of water. At a day, we drink above 6 liters of water. Understood? It keeps the blood in liquid form. More and more means plenty water drinking people are having liquid form of blood. Understood? That is the healthy form. Next one. So we must drink plenty of water daily. This is the use of water. Note down. After completing your CW, you send to your adapter teachers. Okay? Thank you. We will meet in next class.